In 2026, the smartphone world feels a bit repetitive. We've seen the same titanium frames and centered camera islands for years. But if you look toward Japan, there's something different happening. This is the Sharp Aquos R9. I'm convinced this is the most rational flagship you can buy this year. It's built like a tank, looks like a piece of modern art, and has a screen that puts Apple and Samsung to shame with its higher refresh rate that I'll talk about in a sec. If you want the best unique Japanese phone of 2026 without the Pro price tag, you're looking at it. By the way, I'm Vice from Vice Tech. Let's get started. First, let's talk about this look. Sharp collaborated with Miyake Design, and the result is this beautiful asymmetrical camera layout. It feels intentional, not industrial. But it's not just pretty. This thing is MIL standard 810G rated. That means it's shockproof against drops onto concrete, a rarity for a phone this sleek. It's got that classic Japanese flat edge aesthetic, but with a refined 2026 twist. It's light, it's durable, and honestly, it's the most comfortable phone I've held all year. Sharp completely overhauled the internal audio. The R9 features dual full metal box speakers. Because they're encased in metal rather than plastic, the chassis doesn't vibrate at high volumes. It's louder, the bass is tighter, and it supports Dolby Atmos, making it a pocket-sized cinema. Now, the real reason you buy a Sharp, the display. Sharp makes their own panels, and the Pro IGZO OLED on the R9 is a masterclass. We're looking at a 1 to 240 Hz variable refresh rate. Most flagships in 2026 are still stuck at 120 Hz. A 240 Hz motion blur basically disappears. Whether you're gaming or just scrolling through X, it feels like the UI is painted onto your eyeballs. Plus, with a peak brightness that easily fights off direct sunlight, this is arguably the best outdoor display on the market right now. Let's talk cameras. The R9 uses a 50.3 megapixel Leica Hector lens system. It's not the massive 1-inch sensor from the Pro, but Leica's color science is all here. The photos have this Leica look, natural shadows, realistic skin tones, and zero over-sharpening. It feels like a camera, not a computer trying to guess what a photo should look like. Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 with a massive 12 gigs of RAM. In 2026, this chip is the sweet spot. It's efficient, it doesn't overheat thanks to Sharp's new internal vapor chamber, and it handles everything from AI photo editing to heavy multitasking without breaking a sweat. It's not the most powerful one, but for sure it will run 99.9% of the APK apps without any issues. So what's the catch? Well, it's a Japanese exclusive, so you'll likely have to import it, and the UI is very clean, almost pixel-like, which might be too simple for some. But for the person who wants a phone that's durable, has a world-class display, and takes photos with actual character, the Sharp Aquos R9 is the best kept at that category. It's a reminder that Japan is still a powerhouse in tech innovation. If you're tired of the mainstream, this is your exit ramp. That's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching and have a great time. See you on the next one. Peace.